Good day, everyone. Today, we are going to show you a program we developed to calculate the load-bearing capacity of soil using Tersagis bearing capacity theory.
Load-bearing capacity is the maximum pressure soil can support without collapsing. If the foundation load exceeds this value, the structure may fail, so getting this right is critical in construction.
We base our tool on Terzaghi's equation. Ultimate bearing capacity is equal to cohesion times cohesion factor plus overburden pressure times surcharge factor plus zero point 0.5 times gamma times B times weight factor.
Behind the scenes, we calculate the bearing capacity factors and finally calculate the ultimate bearing capacity. The program also provides safe capacity and the maximum load or weight a foundation can safely carry.
Let's take a closer look at the code itself. The program is divided into several functions, each handling a specific part of the load-bearing capacity calculation.
It starts with a soil values dictionary which maps soil types to default values of cohesion and unit weight. This helps users to quickly select realistic soil properties without needing them to input manually.
When the user selects a soil type, the corresponding values are plugged in using that get soil type function. Then the script asks for footing width, depth, and friction angle. Those are critical inputs for the bearing capacity formula.
The core calculation uses Tersaghi's equation. It computes the bearing capacity factor, N sub C, N sub Q, and N sub gamma, using trigonometric and exponential function based on the internal friction angle.
Once the ultimate bearing capacity is calculated, the script optionally computes the safe bearing capacity using a default factor of safety of 3. It can also calculate the maximum allowable load for a 1 meter strip pool.
For better understanding, we will demonstrate how our program works. First, it welcomes the users and explains with instructions how to use the calculator. The user is then prompted to choose a soil type. Let's go with option number 7, which is wet sand.
Wet sand sets cohesion to 0 and unit weight to 19 kN per cubic meter. Next, we're asked to enter width, depth, and height. If you choose the option that says Others, the program will ask you to input cohesion and unit weight manually. For this, we will select 2 meters for width, 1.5 meters for depth, and 45 degrees for friction angle. After entering the values, the program will ask you if you have entered the right values, and if not, you have to type no.
The program will let you choose the values you want to edit or enter. It can be cohesion, unit weight, foundation width, depth, internal friction, or all of them. In this case, we change the internal friction to 30 degrees.
Based on that, the program calculates overburden pressure is equal to gamma times depth is equal to 19 times 1.5 is equal to 28.50 kilonewton per square meter.
Using these values, we apply Tersaghi's formula to compute the ultimate bearing capacity. For part 1, cohesion is multiplied by the capacity factor. For part 2, overburden pressure is multiplied by the capacity factor. And for part 3, 0.5 is multiplied by the unit weight, the foundation width, and the capacity factor and sub gamma. When all parts are added together, the ultimate bearing capacity is calculated, which comes out to be approximately 159.74 kilonewton per meter seconds in this case. The program then asks us to calculate the safe bearing capacity. We enter yes.
We use a standard factor of safety of 3, so the safety capacity is about 53.247 kilonewton per square meter. The program also asks if we want to calculate the maximum load. Again, we say yes.
It multiplies the safe bearing capacity by the area with times 1 meter, giving us the safe load of around 319.484 kilonewton for a 2-meter wide footprint.
And finally, the tool offers to convert this weight into kilograms, which is useful in real-world application where weights are easier to interpret. We get about 32,578.309 kilograms, or approximately 542 people.
What's nice is how interactive and modular this program is. Each part is handled by a separate function, so it's clean, readable, and easy to expand.
In summary, our tool uses Tersagi's principle to offer a fast, accurate way to estimate safe foundation loads.
It helps civil engineers avoid fussy overdesign or dangerous underdesign and saves time on manual calculation.
That's all about our load bearing capacity calculator. Thank you for listening and goodbye.